Hello, welcome to Ansika Ice Academy, and this is the series of Tamil Nadu Board History 12th class, and this is the chapter number 29, the League of Nations. Learning objectives of this chapter are the establishment of League of Nations, the organs of the League of Nations, the achievements of the League of Nations, causes for the failure of the League of Nations, establishment of League of Nations. The outbreak of the First World War made the leaders of the world to establish an international organization for preventing future wars. The Treaty of Versailles also provided a convenient for the establishment of an international organization to maintain peace and security in the world. The founder of this organization was President Woodrow Wilson of USA. It was his idea to create a world organization to maintain peace and prevent future wars. President Woodrow Wilson 14 points underline the creation of a General Association of Nations. It was Woodrow Wilson who worked hard during Paris negotiations to bring about the birth of League of Nations. The League was actually established in 1920 and its headquarters was shifted from Paris to Geneva in Switzerland. Thus, the League of Nations came into being. However, the League failed to prevent the Second World War. Aims of the League. The League aimed to preventing wars through peace, settlement of dispute among members nations. Secondly, it desired to preserve and protect the independence of member nations by promoting international understanding and cooperation organs of the League. The League set upon itself the task of achieving the above aims through its organ, mainly the Assembly and the Council, to begin with. All those powers who worked for the defeat of Germany and her allies became the member of the League. The Assembly, this supreme body, consisted of the representatives of the various states which were the members of the League. Every member state was given the right of the one vote in the Assembly. All decisions of the Assembly were required to be unanimous to acted as international legislature. The council, it originally consisted of 4 permanent members and 4 other members elected by the assembly in 1926. Germany was also given a permanent seat in the council. The number of non-permanent members continued to the increase and ultimately it reached the figure of 11. Of the two, the assembly was certainly stronger. The secretariat, it was located at Geneva. The Secretary General was a prominent figure. He was appointed by the council, but the approval of assembly was essential. The staff of the secretariat was appointed by the Secretary General in consultation with the council. The member states had to pay towards the expansion of the secretariat, organization of the League of Nations. The Permanent Court of International Justice, Permanent Court of International Justice, the International Labour Organization, the League of Council, the Assembly, the Secretariat. The Permanent Court of International Justice, it consists of 15 judges with its headquarters at The Hague. It gave judgments on questions involving the interpretation of international law, treaties and other mutual obligations. The judges of the court were elected for 9 years. The International Labour Organization, it was also attached to the League of Nations with its headquarters at Geneva. Its object was to improve the labour conditions in various parts of the world. Its governing body consisted of the representatives of the government, employers and workers. Mandate system. It was set up by the League. The territories captured from the Central Power and Turkey were not restored to them. The administration of those countries was given to various powers under supervision of the League of Nations. League of Nations, achievements of the League of Nations. Islands. These islands lie between Sweden and Finland. Both Finland and Ireland once belonged to Sweden. On the ownership of islands, there came a dispute between Sweden and Finland in 1920. A special commission of the League investigated the case and settled the dispute in favor of Finland. Mosul boundary dispute. This was a question related to the frontier dispute between Turkey and the Great Britain's mandated territory of Iraq. Both the parties claimed Mosul Vilayet, which was rich in oil. Both failed to come to an agreement on this boundary line. Ultimately, the League Council gave its final judgment on the subject. In June 1926, a treaty was made between Turkey and Great Britain by which a small part of the Vilayet was given to Turkey. The revised boundary was recognized as definite. Some royalty from Mosul oil fields were given to Turkey, Europe and Malmedy. In 1920 and 21, Germany protested to the League of Nations against the decision of giving Eufen and Malmedy to Belgium. The League Council discussed the matter in September 1920 and wrote to the government that its decision regarding the transfer of Eufen and Malmedy to Belgium was final. Corfu incident. In August 1923, the Italian general and 2 officers were murdered in Greek soil. The Italians demanded apologies and reparations for the crime. Greece refused to accept the demands of Italy. Hence, Italy occupied the island of Corfu. In this dispute, Britain and France mediated and brought about the compromise between Italy and Greece. Dispute between Greece and Bulgaria. There was a border dispute between Greece and Bulgaria. In 1925, a Greek army commander was murdered. The Greek army marched in the Bulgaria. The League Council requested Britain and France to investigate this affair. The Greek forces were withdrawn and Greece was asked to pay compensation to Bulgaria for violation of her territory on a scale to be fixed by a League Commission. Dispute between Great Britain and France. In 1921, there was a dispute between France and Great Britain over a nationality question. In Tunis and Morocco, the matter went to the Court of International Justice. However, the dispute was decided by mutual negotiation between the foreign ministers of the two countries. Non-political work. The League did also a lot of non-political work. A slavery convention met at Geneva in 1925. In 1932, it was decided to set up a permanent slavery commission. The Financial Commission was responsible for the issue and supervision of various league loans for Austria, Hungary, Greece, etc. The League also set up in 1930 and health organization with a health committee and a secretariat. It did good in fighting disease such as malaria, smallpox, rabies, cancer, tuberculosis and heart disease, etc. It helped nations to improve national health. It organized technical conferences. The League did commentate. The League did commentate Commonwealth work in the field of control of traffic in dangerous drugs, peasant reforms, suppression of trade in obscene literature. Causes for the failure of League of Nations. The League failed in its main object of maintaining peace in the world. In spite of its efforts for 2 decades, the whole world was involved in war again in 1939. There are many causes for its failure. The major powers like USA and USSR were not members of the League of Nations. This was a serious defect. It was unfortunate that the covenant of the League of Nations was made a part of parcel and peace settlement. It would have been better if it had been kept separate. There were many states which considered the Treaty of Versailles as a treaty of revenge and were not prepared to ratify the same, but not rectifying the treaty. They were referred to be members of League. The League, the absence of great powers, USA and USSR in the international organization weakened the League. Japan, Germany and Italy had left the League. There was also a feeling among the nations that the League of Nations was fully dominated by the victorious countries of World War I, especially of France and England. The result was that the other states began to doubt about the working of the League of Nations. The countries like Germany were humiliated by the victorious countries. Germany was compelled to pay war reparations when it was suffering from economic difficulties. Hence, there were no chances of peace. After World War I in Europe, there came situations for the rise of dictatorships in Italy, Japan and Germany. Japan in the Far East conquered Manchuria. The League was not also in a position to condemn the action of Japan. Japan was also prepared to give up the membership of the League. Likewise, in Italy, there was fascist dictatorship. This had pleased the people of Italy. Narrow nationalism. Italy captured Abyssinia. When the League questioned the conquest of Italy on Abyssinia, it left the League. Germany too was not prepared to accept the commitments under the Treaty of Versailles. In Germany too, there was Nazi dictatorship. Hitler preached pseudo-patriotism. He also spoke about the superiority of German race over other races. He wanted to expand Germany's sway over Austria and Poland. He made conquests over these countries, defying the provisions of the Treaty of Versailles. He increased the armaments. When this was questioned in the League, Germany left the League. Small nations lost their faith on the working of League. They felt that the League of Nations had no power to control the aggressive activities of the big powers. France's insistence of forcing Germany to pay the war reparation at the time of its economic crisis had a disastrous effects on the politics of the country. This contributed to the downfall of the Weimar Republic. This led to the rise of Hitler in Germany, and the latter was responsible for the future of the League. The birth of League of Nations on the ruins of the First World War was welcomed. However, the member states of the League did not cooperate. As a result, the League failed in its mission. Thus, the Second World War broke out. Finally, UNO was established. On the disintegration of the League, learning outcomes of this chapter are: the formation of League of Nations, the role of Woodrow Wilson in its formation, the achievements of the League of Nations in establishing world peace, causes for the failure of the League of Nations. Thanks for watching.